Hey guys, it's Amanda. So today we're gonna do a little bit of a different style for the French braid to hold our hair back for Jiu Jitsu. Let's get started. So first what I'm gonna do is make sure my hair is brushed. Okay, and I wanna make a side part for this. I know, the dreaded side part. Okay, so I'm just gonna go whatever side part you want to do. Boop. Oh man, wait, I'm gonna do that better. Straight lines, okay. So this is just gonna be for like the front part of your hair. So like, I don't know, like an inch or something. Is that an inch? Yeah. So you're just gonna start with the first inch of your hair. And then the rest of it can just kind of fall back down straight. Ba-da-bum, ba-dum. Okay, I'm like a perfectionist all of a sudden. Okay, so once we're here, this is where we're gonna start our French braid. So I'm gonna gather this front little section just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna start my French braid here. So I'm going sideways. Okay, so I'm making that 3 equals 3 section with my fingers. I'm just gonna start by going over the middle. Oh, look at that. The grays are actually helping visualize what I'm doing. Okay, so I went over the middle 1 time each with each side, okay? So now from here, what I'm gonna do is just gather a little bit of hair from the back and go over. Okay, I'm grabbing the middle again. Grabbing a little bit more hair from the front now. Going over. And this is all that we're gonna do for forever. So your braid is gonna lay wherever it is that you braid it to, right? So we're gonna try to go like this little, I don't know, spiral staircase thing. Okay, so now we're kind of going back a little ways. I'm trying to work it more towards the back of my head. I'm still gathering, doing the same motion, just now getting a little bit more hair. Okay, so now we're working back. See how that's working? Okay, so I did all the side of my head just now, okay? Everyone see that? Yeah. Okay, so this is where it kind of gets a little tricky because you're gonna have to move your arms in a little bit of a different way, but we're still doing the same motion. So gathering the hair, gathering in, and from here what I wanna do, I'm gonna gather the bottom, and now I'm gonna, instead of having this arm down, I'm bringing this arm around to help keep everything together, okay? So again, still, like I said, still doing that same technique of gathering that hair together. Okay, now I'm pulling across my head, gathering the hair. Okay, so now you're seeing we're getting like that sideways braid. This also works if you don't have an undercut. I just like a little bit less hair. Okay, once I get here. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that same arm switch to the front. Okay, gather. Okay, and so now we're gonna start working on that hanging braid. Okay, so everything, once I get to like behind my ear, all of this extra is just gonna go to my front part. Okay. And then from here, it's just a regular old braid, which we're experts at now because we just did a wraparound braid, right? So this is cool. The wraparound is a little bit, like I said, it's a little bit different. But it's cool because you can still have this like tail end. You don't really have to put it up into a bun. And then also when you're on your back for like side control or like guard work or anything, the tail stays out of the way. And it looks kind of cool, right? Ba-bam. All right, tie that bad boy off and we are done. Look at that. We are Jiu Jitsu ready. Woohoo. Turning around. So we started up here, went all the way around. Bloop. Now our hair is secure. Might like whip you in the face if you're doing like kickboxing, but this is one of my like favorite hairstyles for Jiu Jitsu. All right. I hope this is enjoyable. Let me know in the comments if you have any comments or questions about different hairstyles for Jiu Jitsu. What's your favorite? And we'll come out with another video next week. All right, bye.